Mr. Mishra, Akshay, Shalini, Kavita, Mr. Venkat.
No way. I was just being polite.
I am not guilty.
I felt bad.
No, that was meant to be a joke.
No. It was just a compliment.
Let's start from the beginning and see what happened.
Thank you, thanks.
Good morning.
Morning, Mishra.
Second floor?
No, fourth actually.
Did you also get stuck in the park traffic?
No, I live next street.
I ride a scooter. Very convenient. By the way, you're looking very nice.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Acha. Appraisal meeting. Don't worry. You'll get it.
Good morning, Shalini. What happened?
Can you even ask, yeah. You know that Mishra ji? He thought I'm dressed like this just to impress the boss. Can you believe that?
Men know. Okay, listen, it's our boss in. I need to ask for leave next weekend.
Leave? In the middle of appraisals? Wait, what's your excuse? Are you pregnant? Oh, no, wait. You can use your Madrasi bonding and ask him. Of course he'll give you leave. Go. Go ask him.
Okay, I see. Na pore.
Hello? Kavita, 2 నిమిషం.
Shama, you should have been in the show yesterday. You missed an amazing show, yeah. You were so good. Hey, Ashwin, how was the show yesterday? See, it was a brilliant show.
Hello, young achiever of the year.
Morning, sir.
Morning, what's up?
Coffee?
Break already, yeah? Evening, 7 p.m., con call.
Sure, sir. I'll log in from home.
No, office.
Sure, sir.
Tea break, coffee break.
I don't know what bothers him where I work from. Mr. Ji? Sir. Arey, baithiye. You don't have to. By the way, the project that was in the pipeline, we got it. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
In fact, I was talking to Pooja about how the client loved your presentation and he's very happy with it. We'll be going forward. But chota sa problem hai. The client wants to run the production in 2 locations simultaneously.
No problem.
Which will involve a lot of traveling.
Sir, I can.
I know. Which is exactly why I asked Pooja to take the lead so you can relax.
So now what do you say?
Arey, I was just showing empathy considering he's disabled.
You mean differently able?
Yeah, that's what. But boss here was mean to me.
It's not as if you are perfect, Akshay. You judged me because of my disability.
Excuse me? Look who's talking. You judge me just because of the dress I'm wearing. Women don't dress just to impress people, by the way.
By the way, you keep saying I get perks because I'm from Madras. That's also not cool.
No, but that's a joke.
Oh,
you
when it
know,
happens to you, it's okay.
But you know I was meaning it as a joke. How
No,
can you take it so seriously?
You keep saying it every time. 1 or 2 times. It's
Stop.
fine.
Stop! It's all of you. You're all guilty of unconscious bias.
What bias?
Unconscious bias. Judging people based on stereotypes which you are not even aware of. Like assuming that Shalini was well dressed only for a better appraisal. Now that's a bias, Mr. Mishra.
By the way, you're looking very nice today.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you.
You should have been more self-aware. And you thinking that Kavita uses her regional connect to pull favors.
No, that was meant to be a joke.
You could have showed more empathy.
In the middle of appraisals. Wait, what's your excuse? Are you pregnant? Hey,
And Akshay, you could have asked for a second opinion.
But छोटा सा problem है. The client wants to run the production in 2 locations simultaneously, which will involve. Will that be an issue?
No problem, sir. I can shuttle between the 2 locations. Thank you for asking.
Alright then, all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I got it. I got it. I'm guilty of unconscious bias. I assume young people take a lot of breaks and don't take work seriously.
Guys, can we go for a coffee break?
let's. Why not?
Coffee.